Hi you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm gonna get started and I'm gonna try to go pretty quickly for you guys here. So here I'm on the Cricut site. I went down to projects, then my favorites that I have saved here. I chose this one because I think it looks pretty nice and I like all the layers that it had. I'm just gonna go to customize, but scrolling down, it lets you know how long it's gonna take, what materials you're gonna need, and whatnot. So I'm gonna click on customize down here on the left, just because I want to customize and take out a few things. I'm going to remove the wording on the right hand side just because I'm going to customize that and do it differently. You guys can check how I'm going to change the wording and everything. I just want to make this really short for you guys. So this is basically how it's going to look. These are the papers down below that I'm going to be using. I found this gold trim somewhere and I just decided this would be a great accent. Do make sure that your Cricut machine is connected and plugged into. I am going to be selecting the 80 pound just because I wanted to cut right through the cardstock paper. You will need your scoring tool and your blade. So you're going to load it, and this is actually the paper when it's already done, and I am going to have to bend the card where it was scored. And if you guys have any questions, please do let me know in the comments below. I am using this glue. This is the first time I use this glue just because I was using Elmer's glue before and I felt that it kind of messed up my paper because it would kind of transfer over. And I do like using the Elmer's for this part because I feel like it's less intense and it just sticks right on. And then I'm just positioning the flowers where I think will look nice. If you would like to see the video where I detach the wording that was on there before and put in my own text, do click here. I do really appreciate you guys all watching my video, and I want to thank you guys who have subscribed. I really do appreciate it.